The responsibility of every father, the purpose why your presence needed to be there for your children, is to train your children, to teach your children in the way they should go. Okay? Training your child in the way they should go. That's why, when I was a little boy growing up, although I hear my father telling me this, and that, okay, and the reason my father was telling me about those things, because he is actually helping me to establish my future, just like how God wants to establish our future. The fact that God gave His Word to us is to establish our future. He made a beautiful future, a plan of future for our life.